Hello guys, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to talk about LinkedIn and how we can leverage our personal account on LinkedIn or maybe some other social media platform. But today I will be talking about LinkedIn because when it comes to any professional life or say any company's account, or if we are handling social media marketing, so what is the best platform where we can really do well and where we can really attract audience, and we can convert them into clients or customers. So it's the best platform is LinkedIn, so I will be talking about that only. And there are a lot of options that LinkedIn provide that no other platforms do provide to us. So let's talk about it. And actually there is one option that is credits of 250 connections that we can get on a monthly basis from LinkedIn. So that count was around, I think, 100 of, I think, 2 to 3 months back, but now they have made it 250. So what it is per month we can invite 250 people from our connection. So if I am working with a company and they have made me, or they have given me page access, maybe content admin access or maybe super admin access, so what I can do, I can invite people from my connections to follow my page. How will how can it make difference to my page? So if I am bringing people, or say organic people, who are following my page, so whatever content I will be putting, if it is relevant to them, they will be liking it firstly. And secondly, if they are following it in the long run, or if they are following it since long time, so maybe they are liking our content, that's why they are following my page. Or else they'll unfollow my page, or they won't follow it. Very simple. So if they are following it, they'll start, obviously they will start to like some sort of content, not all but some sort of content. So yeah, so it's a great benefit of LinkedIn that we are really getting a great benefit to invite our connections, our 250 connections. But the thing is, do you really think if we are inviting 250 people on a monthly basis, so do you really think that those 250 people, they all will be accepting a request and they'll start following our page? No, not at all. Because if I am receiving request to follow someone's page, obviously I won't accept that request because I feel it very annoying, or I won't found it very it won't be relevant for me. So if I am in a legal service area and it is related to IT sector, so I think I won't show my interest in it, so I won't follow that page. Or maybe I don't want to follow that page for many reasons. So there may be some reasons, or maybe I'll found it very uninterested kind of thing. So there may be very multiple reasons. So yeah, if we are sending request to 250 people, so there would be around, I think, 50 to 70 people who will start following our page, or else they won't follow. So what we can do is if we are sending request to 250 people and only 60 people have accepted a request, so 190 people have avoided that request. So do you think, so it is very simple that we have wasted 190 invites. So do you know what we can do or to improve it? Let me take you to LinkedIn. Okay, it is there. Let's go to LinkedIn. See, home, network, post, notification, jobs. We need to go to network. Then you can see manage my network. Okay, then invitations. We need to go to invitations, we need to go to send, we need to go to pages. Okay, now you can see. So you can see the list of the invitations that we have sent so far. So if I am working with Trademarkia since last 1 year, so I have sent this many requests to people. So what I can do, I can withdraw these requests and then I can send these invitations to other set of people. But on a monthly basis, I can send just 250 invitations, right? So what I can do, I will be withdrawing these requests. Before that, let me show you one thing. Let's go to Trademarkia page. trademarkia page. Okay, firstly let's finish all these invitations because I want to show you something. So I have 16 credits. Okay, I have used all my invites. Okay, now good. Okay, now you can see no remaining invite credits, right? Now what I'll do, I will be going back to the same network thing, network invitations, send pages. Now what I'll do, I will be withdrawing these. Let's start from downside because we had just sent these requests. Withdraw, 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 withdraw. Those 3 to 4, those all like requests are not belongs to trademark. Yeah, I worked with other companies too, so maybe there would be some connections for other companies too. So let's withdraw it for trademark. Yeah, now you can see these like credits that I am withdrawing, they will be adding up on that page. So I can send these credits to other set of people, or say a fresh people. I have withdrawn these credits. Okay, it will be I think around 15 to 20 credits that I have withdrawn so far. Now what I'll do, I will be going back to the page again. Now you can see 30 credits I have withdrawn. Okay, now what I'll do, I will be using these invites once again. Okay, so this is a great way to leverage your number of followers to gain followers in your company's page, because when you will do this, firstly your company's page follower will be increasing, secondly your engagement rate will be improved, right? So it's a great way to for your company's page to perform well. And yeah, you can do this. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about this. So if you have any kind of doubt, just let me know. If you like this video, and if like through this video, if you can get some sort of insights, and if you can do well in your company's page, just let me know if it is anyhow insightful for you or your company's page. And if you want me to come up with any topic based on my area of interest, or like social media marketing, or say digital marketing, graphic designing, writing, just let me know. I will be covering that too. And very soon I am going to conduct one free session on Let's Dunch. So it's a website where professionals will be experts on marketing, or different what I say, different areas. They will be providing sessions to students. So yeah, if you want to join, you can communicate with Let's Dunch customer service or their team, and if you want to join it, you can join. And I need to maintain one PPT, and will send it to them, and will be coming soon. And I will be posting content here too. So yeah, that's it. And we'll be coming soon with some set of series. I am planning to do it, because it's like, if I am covering one topic, so it's like incomplete. So if I have talked about what you say, if I have talked about LinkedIn, so I am missing Instagram, I am missing Twitter, I am missing some tactics that we can apply on Facebook. So I am planning to come up with a series where I can cover Quora, I can cover LinkedIn, I can cover Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everything. And then if I am planning to come up with a LinkedIn poll, then I can cover Twitter poll also, I can cover Instagram poll also. If I am planning to come up with a marketing plan, then I can come up with offline and online plan also. So I will be covering some kind of series that will be helpful for everyone's marketing, for everyone marketing team. So yeah, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. And if you want me to come up with any video, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Stay tuned, and it will be coming soon with another set of videos. Bye bye, stay tuned.